Next, we'll take a quick, non-scientific view on whether Rust is popular enough to use in mid-2023. Rust seems to be growing fast. According to this article from June 2022, the number of developers using the Rust programming language has more than tripled in 24 months, from 0.6 million to 2.2 million. That's almost doubling per year. I found other websites which suggest slower growth rates, but they all say that it's expanding and a language of the future. Although Rust comes from Mozilla and Graydon Hoare, both have mostly moved on, and today it's a true community project, with over 8,000 contributors to date. And their work's published frequently. There's a new stable release of Rust every 6 weeks, like clockwork. The Rust Foundation Platinum sponsors include some of the biggest computer companies. And this isn't limited to the kinds of projects you might have assumed. The Rust programming language is the most frequently used language for developing WebAssembly applications. It's also by far the most desired language for WebAssembly, and, as the quote says, Rust usage and desirability has continued to climb. It sounds like Rust is also on its way into the Linux kernel. That's something C++ has not managed. Wow. And the Windows kernel. Microsoft announced in April that they've rewritten dwrite core and GDI regions in Rust for memory safety, and they're continuing from there. Over 20% of all new Android code is in Rust. And Linux utilities Su and Sudo are getting rewritten in Rust. Chromium, the project which is also the base for browsers like Microsoft Edge and Opera, has recently announced that it will support the use of third-party Rust libraries, and that they're looking into using Rust in the middle of their code instead of more C++. And it's not just popular among companies, it's also popular among programmers. Stack Overflow asks 2 questions about this each year. Which language that you already use do you love the most? And what language that you do not already use do you really, really want to use? While Rust is near the top of the list for people not already using it, Rust is the absolute #1 language for most loved by people who are already using it. And that's been true for 7 years in a row. Happy programmers. So overall, it seems popular enough today and growing more popular. In the next video, we'll look at the most compelling reason to use Rust: its safety guarantees.